Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here, and today we're making a recipe that got 5 stars on all recipes. You know this thing's gonna rock. What we're making here is ham sliders. So let's start. Super simple. First thing we want to do is we want to take 3/4 of a cup of butter. We're just going to put it down in there and we're going to let it sit for a moment because this thing, everything's still kind of heating up. But it's going to require about 1.5 tablespoons of DiJon Mustard. First one down, and the second one down. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is about 1 tablespoon, of minced onions. Couldn't find my 1 tablespoon, so we're going to do it a half at a time. Throw it down in there. Then we're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, however you call it. Throw it in there. There you go, 1.5 tablespoons, guys. We're going to let this finish up and start melting down, and then we're going to get to part 2 where we're going to start putting everything together. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so our butter's mostly melted. We've got just a wee bit left, but hey, it's looking good. It's kind of a butter sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to lay them on top of the Hawaiian Rolls. Kind of help those things brown out a little bit. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to take Hawaiian Rolls. Maybe. And we're just going to cut them in half. See if I can do this. Voila. Check it out. Let's just break them up a little bit. Perfect. Put them back together. We're going to take some smoked ham. Just going to lay them over the top of each individual piece, all 12. While I'm doing this, I do want to do a shout out to my buddy Mike over at Cooking with Big Cats 305. Notice the shirt, buddy? Got that right. While I'm putting this on here too, thanks everybody for watching this episode. I really do appreciate it. Please remember to like this episode if you like it, and subscribe, ring the bell. Comment, love your comments. Share, like those too. Alright guys, here we go. Straighten these up a little bit. Sorry guys, it's really cold out here. Welcome to January in Boise, Idaho. Oh man. You know, 3 years ago, we had about 2 foot of snow out here. It's crazy. They called it Snowmageddon. And it was like 11 below. Next thing we're going to do is take some Swiss cheese. We're going to put them over every one of these. I'm just going to break these things in half. Lay them down like so. If you guys don't know who Mike from Big Cats Cooking 305, I'll try to put a link down below, maybe one up above here too for you. He's got a great channel, guys, and he's a good guy too, really is. Gotten to know him over the last couple of months. Always willing to share some advice. He's got some great cooking going on. Let's stir this up a little bit while we're sitting here. to make sure it's all ready. That actually tastes really good. It really does. Okay, these things are all ready to go. Just gonna cap them. Man, it can't be much more than about 35, 40 degrees out. Dang, it's cold. Mrs. Dude made me move the dude's kitchen over to the other side of the patio. She thought it would look better over here. Tell me what you think, guys. Does it look better over here? You don't really get to see the Berlin Wall anymore. It's kind of a bummer. Now we're going to just put these here onto our pan. Now the best part. This little butter sauce that we made earlier. It's going to coat the tops, each and every one of these things. Just like this. Perfect. So we're going to put them here on the grill. Grill is at, well, it's going to be at 350 here in just a moment. We're going to put them on the grill at 350 for 20 minutes. But the first half of this grilling session, we're going to put tin foil over these. Hopefully. Just like so. Put them onto the grill. Let them sit for 10 minutes. Remove the tin foil and let them finish up. We'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, it has been 10 minutes. Time to check these things out. We're going to take the tin foil off. We're still running at about 350 on the grill. That's awesome. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. That stuff looks awesome. Doesn't get much better than that right there. Things are coming along nicely. We're going to give them another 10 minutes just like this, and then it's time to try them out. Okay guys, we are back. It has been 10 minutes. It's time to take these bad boys out. Check them out. Look at that, would you? Woo! Liking what I'm seeing right there. Oh yeah. Tops are nice and brown. It's got that little butter mustard sauce on them. Take one off. Look at the bottom. Oh, I gotta show you. Up close. Up close. Look at the bottom. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now, let's try them out. Liking that a lot. Definitely see why it's a 5-star rating on all recipes. I do. That Hawaiian roll, the sweetness of it with the butter and mustard. And then you take the ham and the Swiss cheese that's melted. Holy moly. Try it out with a beer. Oh wow. Dang. Carbs be damn on this one. These are bomb, man. Holy moly. Try another one. Oh, the bottom. Wow. There you go, guys. That's all it is. 3/4 of a stick of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of DiJon Mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced onion. Put them together, Melt them, stir them together. Take your Hawaiian rolls, cut them in half, lay a piece of ham on it, a piece of Swiss, coat the tops, put them into the grill, barbecue, or oven, or whatever you want, for 20 minutes, 10 minutes with a piece of tin foil over it. 10 minutes later, remove the tin foil, let them sit for a little bit longer, 10 more minutes actually. Take them out and eat them. I dig these things for the Super Bowl, guys. I really do. All right, guys, thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later. Remember, the dude abides, this time with ham and Swiss sliders. Talk to you later.